Maybe just.
Why am I laughing? Because you're cute. You're little and you're trying to hump me. Nope.
No.
No. You shouldn't even know anything about that. You're too little.
I'm dying.
You're too little.
I'm dead.
You're too little.
Go, Wilbur, go. Go, Wilbur.
Don't encourage him.
Go, Wilbur, go. I'm having sexual fantasy with you. Go, Wilbur, go. Go, Wilbur, go. Get it. Be a ladies' man. Be a ladies' man. Yeah. Yeah. She's just playing hard to get, Wilbur.
It's not happening. It's not happening.
She's just playing hard to get. She's just playing.
It's not happening.
Oh, she just turned you down. She just turned you down.
I mean, you're cute and all, but I don't like dogs. I mean,
go, Wilbur, go.
Stop. Really?
Come on. Don't stop. Don't stop until she says yes. Just let him hump you. Just let him hump you.
Hey, we gotta have a little talk, okay? You can't do that. You can't do that. I mean, you're cute. Look at that face. You're cute, but you can't hump me.
Yes, you can.
Okay?
Oh my god, I can't.
Okay?
You're sending in mixed signals, Tori. You can't send in mixed signals, alright?
I'm Eskimo kissing him. There's a difference.
You can try to help you now. Go, Wilbur, go. Go, Wilbur, go. Aww. Aww, look at that face.